unicorn has been dreaming about a magic home surrounded by rainbow clouds. LaLiLu Craft will create a rainbow fairy tale room for this magical creature. Make the walls and the floor out of Styrofoam. Outline an arc. We just need to polish the sides. The first wall will look like a cloudy sky. And the second one looks like a rainbow. Start working on floorboards. Artificial fur turned into a soft, fluffy rug. Now the unicorn doesn't have to walk on hard floors. It's warm and comfy now. Add glittery strips to the sides. Cut thin Styrofoam to make rectangular pieces. Make a comfy table. Install a tabletop. We'll need a glittery purple pad for that. Cover the rest of the table pieces. You can fit anything in these 3 big drawers. Add sparkly handles. Decorate the tabletop with a rhinestone ribbon. And there's a table lamp. Let's add something. A lampshade! That's much better. We made a semi-oval. Add folding lines. Now you can easily fold it. Secure a back to the seat. Oh, we got some wooden skewers. Use them as legs. The unicorn has a comfy place for doing arts and crafts. Drawing magical pictures or writing magical stories? Sure, do whatever you want. Take materials for a pool. Cut a circle out of Styrofoam. Trace the piece on light green felt. Cover glittery walls. Decorate the sides with pipe cleaner. The pool is full of fluffy pompoms of different colors. It's fun to swim in it. Put it in the middle of the room. Separate a piece for the Christmas tree decoration in half. Cut a strip out of glittery foam paper. Cover the sides. Bend a wire. Remove part of the cover from a bent side. We made a hook. Paint a veneer support red. Wow, what a colorful flower! Decorate it with glittery sides. Attach it to a bent stand. Put it in the corner. Snap! A semi-sphere armchair is a perfect place to relax. Outline rectangular pieces on fabric. Fold them in half. Fill it with synthetic stuffing. The last seam appeared. Cover the attachment points with a wavy ribbon. Now sitting in a hanging chair is even more comfortable. Add a fluffy pom-pom. Turn a piece of artificial fur into a warm blanket. Paint it all the colors of the rainbow. Pillows and blankets will make this room even cozier. Oh, it's so nice to sit in a hanging chair in the evening. Start working on the second floor. Outline an unusual shape on Styrofoam. Done! File down the sides and trace the piece to make it steadier. Now the unicorn can jump as much as she wants. Cut 2 shades of foam paper to make small squares. Put them like this. Pastel flooring mixed with glittery pieces turn boring tiles into a beautiful mosaic. Cover the ends with foam paper. Secure a second layer in the corner. Cut out arches. Soon a real rainbow will appear. Wow, it worked! Rainbow panel decorates the wall. Whoosh! Clouds appeared. Flames are sparkling. Is there going to be a rainbow lightning? No, but there might be Skittles rain. Choose some light clay. Knead it and make rolls. Make a rainbow. Use some magic. Whoosh! Yeah! A rainbow slide leads from the second floor right into the pool. It's a fun alternative to stairs. Cut out pieces for the bed out of Styrofoam. Fold them layer after layer. Wrap a foam rubber mattress in fabric. The unicorn's gonna have some sweet dreams. Cover the sides with blue inserts. Decorate it with rhinestones of different colors. We can make a comfy pillow out of blue felt. Some stuffing, and it's ready. We just need to add a blanket. Decorate it with lacy ribbon. Add a holographic heart. What a magical shine! Yay! The unicorn is going to the rainbow world. Outline a couple of clouds on thick cardboard. Go over it one more time. Snap. Glue the shelves. Wow, so creative! But what do we put on them? The unicorn loves fairy tales. It's no wonder she keeps her favorite book near the bed. Glue on the pages. Ready! Her cactus is right here. Here is a tiny unicorn figurine. It's a gift from LaLiLu Craft. Turn straws into parts of a ladder. Stomp, stomp. These ones will work. Cut identical strips out of glittery foam paper. Steps are coming from everywhere. Decorate the attachment points with bright rhinestones. The ladder is ready. Add it to the side part. It's so fun to slide down from the second floor. But to go on this exciting adventure, you need to climb up the colorful ladder first. Cut a fence out of sparkly foam paper. Even creatures who have wings need to be careful. Cut out a printed picture. A rectangular base turned into a glittery frame. Some decor is a good idea. By the way, our unicorn believes that this is a photo of her ancestor. We made a super cute and colorful room. LaLiLu Craft had lots of fun with the unicorn's room. Come to our housewarming party to go down a rainbow slide and end up in a magical world. Press like if you want the same slide at your home.